Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 2 of the Dress to Impress winter update event. So you'll need to reach the end of the ice cove without hitting the obstacles. It's very hard to see because my friend was wearing wings, so I suggest you to not wear wings when doing this obstacle. Um but you'll only need one person to reach the end, so keep that in mind, and you'll need to not hit any of these snowmen, presents, etc. So just go left and right. You don't need to press anything for forward. But once you've reached the ice cove, you'll need to go on these sleds. I don't know what they're called. I'll show it to you in a minute. Okay, they're called sleighs, and you're going to ride the one on the very right. That's like the correct one. It's going to immediately transport you to the destination, unlike the others, but you'll still go to that area even though you rode the wrong sleigh and like the wrong place, but you'll still be teleported. So don't worry, but I did choose the one on the very right, which is the correct one. And after that, you'll be teleported to the third chapter. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!